In my 17 years of trading Forex, I've discovered that you might have the best trading strategy, you might have the best system out there. If you don't get what I'm about to talk about right now, nothing matters. Nothing matters. Nothing matters. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about one single thing, one thing that is most important, to your success as a Forex trader. You might have everything together, you might have the best trading systems out there, you might have the best strategy, but if you don't get this one thing, I'm telling you sincerely, you are still going to be losing. And what is that? We're going to be talking about Forex success triangle. Forex success triangle. What are those three things that are, that are joined together that contributes to your success as a Forex trader? That is the exact thing we're going to be discussing right now. All right, so welcome back. In my 17 years of trading Forex, I tell you, I have used many systems. I've traded with so many strategies. I've used so many expert advisors, artificial intelligence, mentioned it. But in this video, as I said, I'm going to be showing you what you need to succeed as a Forex trader. And I call it Forex Success Triangle. So let's draw a triangle. So this is a triangle. Okay, it doesn't matter the type of triangle you draw. So as long as it's a triangle. So let's call this one our A, call this our B, and call this one our C. Many traders who spend a fortune getting a system, looking for how to do this, how to do that, how support and resistance, smart money concept, this, that, double top, double bottom, upper wedge, lower wedge, all of that is just one side of this triangle. And what is that one? That is what I call the technical know-how. Okay, the technical know-how. So this technical know-how, shockingly contributes just 20%. Okay, just 20%. Just 20%. You have the best system out there. You have everything. Your system might even be winning 100% of the time, but I'm telling you, it's still responsible for 20% of your success. I do hear many people talking about, I have 80% winning rate. You might have 80% winning rate and you are still a loser. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you place 5 trades. Okay, you place 5 trades, and these 5 trades, you win 4. You win 1, but you lose. You win 4 and you lose 1. Okay, that would be 80%, right? So let's say the first one you win $20. The second one, let's say you win $30. The third one, let's say you win $10. The fourth one, let's say you win another $20. But your fifth trade, let's say you lose $600. So is this a winner? No, because when you look at it, this is 50, 60, 80. So this is still like a minus $520. So even though this system has 80% of winning rate, but then if you don't get the second one that I'm going to talk about here, right, this will still be a loser. You're still going to be losing. If you get this right, honestly speaking, you will send me an email, you will call me, you will send me a text message, you will send me a WhatsApp message, Telegram message, and thank me for this video, because it took me a while. It took me a while for me to get it right myself, what I'm sharing with you right now. So It's not about how many percent winning rate, high winning rate. Yes, it is good, especially when you are dealing with expert advisors and you want to know, okay, out of 10 trades, how many trades will be a winner? And for you to actually conclude that a system is good, you must have tested that system 100 times. I hope you know that. Before you could conclude that a strategy is good and it's a winning strategy, you must have placed a trade at least 100 times. Then that is what will tell you, okay, how many percentage of that. So it's not how many winning trades you have. Take a look at this. You won 4 times, you lost 1. But this losing, okay, swallowed all your profits. So that still make you a loser. So the technical know-how, which many people spend a fortune. I mean, I've bought a system for $10,000 before. I've bought a system for $3,000. I've joined different community, different group. I've spent thousands upon thousands of dollars personally on this search for technical know-how. But that is not what makes you a millionaire Forex trader. That's not what makes you a 7-figure Forex trader. That is not what makes you, that successful Forex trader. That is not what gives you the lifestyle. That is not at all. Okay, so that is the one side of the triangle. That right there is the technical know-how. Now, the second side of this triangle, let's clear this. Let's draw our triangle. The second side of this triangle, remember, we call this our A, we call this B, we call this C. Now, the first one we say is our technical know-how. Okay, that is the first side. Now, we said this is responsible for just 20%. Now, this second one, the second side of this triangle is what I call the external factor. External factor. This external factor is responsible for 10% of your success. 10% of your success. Okay, what are these external factors? For instance, you are about to place a trade and you had a fight with your spouse. That might affect your mood. And if you are not in good mood, if you place a trade, that trade might not go well. Or you are in an environment whereby you don't have a stable electricity, a stable power supply. Maybe you are using generator to trade or to power your laptop and this and that, and you place a trade, and before you know it, either there's no power, the laptop is off, or the internet begins to misbehave. It could affect your trade, because one way or the other, all of these things add up together. Or can you imagine now if you are in the country where they are fighting war, where there is war going on, and you are a Forex trader, it could also affect your trading. Those are external factors that one way or the other you cannot control. You don't have control over. You don't have control over it. So this 10% also is very, very important, very, very significant, because imagine I've had many people that have no job in quotes and they want to trade Forex full time. Now, if you have no other stream of income and you are trading Forex, you're going to be trading with a lot of pressure, because all your resources, all your livelihood, you put it on that account. And imagine if you are trading with just very small account. That's why you see people trading with like $500, or they want to make $10,000 from that account. So external factor, the environment where you are, the place where you trade, and so on and so forth, contribute to this external factor. Now, let's talk about the third one. The third one, which is the most important, is the biggie. And that is your psychology. That is your psychology. Your psychology. I can call it your mindset. Okay, your mindset. This is responsible for 70%. 70% of your success. In fact, you might have the most poorest, you might have the poorest system. You might live in the most uncomfortable environment that the external factor affects you. So if your 20% is gone and the 10% is gone, but if you have your psychology right, you can still be a winner. So number one, you don't come to this industry with a wrong mindset, wrong expectation. This is not a get-rich-quick industry. Trust me, Forex, if you come to Forex industry, this jungle with the mindset of, okay, I'm going to get rich quick, I'm telling you sincerely, this industry will show you that it's not going to work like that. Yes, you might come with a gambling mentality. Oh, okay, I'm going to take this $10 account, I'm going to take it to $1,000 in 1 week. Okay, it is possible you do that. But the day you put $10,000, you say, okay, I'm going to take it to 1 billion, that is when you're going to lose the whole 10,000. So it's just a casino which you cannot win. But if you can't beat them, you can outsmart them. And that is where this psychology, you have to get it right. You can enter a trade. Okay, I discovered that even personally it affects me. I enter a trade, I'm so impatient, okay, with my profit, but I'm so patient with my losses. You know, you enter a trade, I'm thinking, okay, yeah, this trade is going to come to my direction, it's going to come to me, it's going to come to me, it's going to come to me. Before you know it, the account is blown. Boom. And you enter a trade and it's going in your direction, and I just see small profit, maybe $10, $20, because I'm scared, or I don't want to lose this profit, I cut the trade early. So all of this is what? The psychology, your mindset. You see, you have to understand. Like for instance, what I teach my students and what we discuss at 30 minutes traders every day is that not placing a trade is also a trade. Not placing a trade is also a trade. It's not, you don't have to trade every day. It is not mandatory you have to trade every day. You have to know yourself. Are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader? Are you a day trader? For instance, myself, I love to trade on 4 hours or 15 minutes. But because of the most of the prop firms, you know, they don't want you to carry your trades over the weekend, number one. Number two, some of them, they count the number of days. For instance, if you place a trade on Monday and that trade, you swing it to Friday. To most of the prop firms, that is counted as just 1 day, not 5 days. So we are forced, if you're a prop trader, we are forced to close your trade within a day. But despite that, there's a way you can still organize yourself. The system you are using is, that has to be there, okay? You must be using a winning system, that the rules are very simple. One thing with us as Forex traders is that we always think that the complex the chart looks, the complex the system looks, the more profit we make. I tell you what, in my 17 years of trading Forex, I will tell you that is no. Okay, that is no. Keep it simple as ABC. You might have just a very simple moving average crossover system and you are winning big once you have your psychology in place, you have your mindset in place. And this psychology is not what you get overnight. It comes with experience. It comes with experience. There will be at times that your trade does not go as expected, even though the setup was okay. You know, Murphy's law states that no matter what you do, what will go wrong will still go wrong. You might have a very good setup, a very good system, you are patient, you enter at the right time with everything, you know that, okay, this should be a winning trade, and it might end up coming to bite you and, end in loss. Now, this part of psychology also comes with, okay, should I use a stop loss? Should I not use stop loss? Should I carry this trade? Should I trade? All of this. Should I trade during the news? Should I not trade during the news? Should I trade during the holiday? Should I not trade? All of these come together, and this is one of the reasons why I created the 30 minutes traders. 30 minutes traders, where we come to trade together as Forex traders. This is not 30 minutes traders is not it's not copy trading. We are not copying each other. We just gather together every day, Monday to Friday. We discuss all of this psychology, mindset. Sometimes we even pray together. We laugh together. If one loses, all of us will lose, because we celebrate with whoever loses. In fact, one of our community members actually broke the record of one of the top firms, and that forced them to start putting a cap on the profits that you can make. That is what we get. People, we come together Monday to Friday, we trade together, just 30 minutes. Yeah, every day is not a winning day, but we have many wins than losses, So if you are ready to join the community of fearless traders, trading together for just 30 minutes a day and making full-time income, even though you trade as a part-time trader, okay, there should be a link below this video. Make sure you click on that link to join our Telegram group, okay, the Fearless Traders group. Then from there you get updates on how you can be part of us, or you can just go to this website, www.30minutestraders.com. There should be a button where you click, okay, to get access. Now, if you join us today, what do you get? In my trading career, I've been able to develop some of the best systems out there. One of them, can you imagine? You lay your hand on this mega bonus. Apart from you trading with us Monday to Friday, you get my Prop Trader EA as a bonus. If you have to buy that separately, that will cost you $97. You get Sniper Bots as a bonus. You get FX Sniper. This alone is $997 selling online. You get Tradermatic 3.0. Okay, Tradermatic, this is my baby. This, in fact, out of all my systems, this is still my favorite. This is still my favorite. Tradermatic, you get it as also a bonus. Then TFAN, the Forex Apostle Mentoring Program. This is my flagship coaching program, where we took, you have learn at your pace, self-paced learning. You have access, you learn for 6 months, okay, mentorship, everything, recorded. You watch them. We also come together for Q&A, but we kind of replace the Q&A now with Monday to Friday trading with 30 minutes traders. So you get access to all the lessons, all the recordings. Now, what about the super mega bonuses? In my years of trading, for the past 17 years, trust me, I have thoughts of, expert advisors, artificial intelligence. In fact, I asked one of my virtual assistants to help me just, do some calculations of how much those expert advisors will cost, and it came up with amount over $120,000 if you have to buy them. I have like 2 HFT, each of them costs about $30,000. You get them as part of what you're getting as a member of our 30 minutes trader community. What about indicators? There was a time I wanted to create a website, just call it indicators, all of indicators, or indicators for something, because I have a bunch of them. Come on now. Just look at indicators that I've gathered within the last 17 years. You will have access to all of them. And so if you add together everything you're going to be getting as a subscriber, as a member of our community, if you have to buy them separately, you will be paying over $200,000. But today, if you join us today, okay, as we are celebrating Thanksgiving in the United States of America, if you join us today, you're going to be getting it at a very huge discount. So the link should be below this video. Make sure you click on it. Join us. Let's trade together. We trade together Monday to Friday, every day. If I'm not available, at least any of our community members is always available to lead the trading. There's no master, there's no slave. We all trade together. Okay, I hope this video has been a blessing to you. And do me a favor, like these videos, leave your comment. If you have any question, connect with me on our Telegram. and I'm always available to answer your question. God bless you, and if you are in the United States of America, happy Thanksgiving to you. Peace, I love you, and see you in my next video.
Hello, my name is Jane. If you want to get good results with your Forex trading, then 30-Minute Traders is where you want to be. We are a community of traders trading together for a common goal, to make profits. We meet every day from Monday to Friday, 30 minutes daily. Come and check us out, you won't regret it.